acoustic neuroma. Synonyms are vestibular schwannoma, neurilemoma. It is a benign tumor of 8th cranial nerve. Incidence. It accounts for 90% of all cerebellopontine angle tumors. There are two distinct clinical forms. Most common is sporadic form. It accounts for 90%. Less common form is associated with autosomal dominant neurofibromatosis type 2. Site of origin. It arises from the Schwann cells of the vestibular division of 8th cranial nerve. It appears as a benign, encapsulated, slow-growing tumor arising mostly from the superior vestibular division in the internal auditory meatus. It progresses to involve the CP angle and then compresses the cranial nerves and brainstem. Malignant potential is less. Clinical features. Age group affected are 40 to 60 years. Males and females are equally affected. Progressive unilateral sensorineural hearing loss is the earliest symptom. Diminished speech discrimination score, which is out of proportion to the pure tone loss. High-pitched tinnitus, vertigo. Trigeminal nerve is the earliest cranial nerve to be involved. It causes reduced corneal reflex and paresthesia of face. Hitzelberger sign is hypoesthesia of the posterior meatal wall due to involvement of sensory division of facial nerve. Other cranial nerves involved are cranial nerve 9 and 10. Later there will be cerebellar dysfunction, involvement of brainstem and symptoms of increased intracranial tension. Investigations are pure tone audiogram. There will be high frequency sensorineural hearing loss on the affected side. Poor speech discrimination score. Rollover phenomenon. Reduction in speech discrimination when loudness is increased beyond a particular level. Tone decay test is positive. Delay in stapedial reflex. Caloric test shows canal paresis. In BIRA, intraoral latency of more than 0.2 milliseconds in wave 5 is seen. CT scan with contrast can detect even small lesions. MRI with gadolinium is the gold standard investigation. Very small intracanalicular tumors can be detected with the MRI. Treatment. In elderly patients with very small tumors, we can observe the patient. Stereotactic radiosurgery or gamma knife is used for patients who refuse surgery and also for residual tumors. It is a precise form of radiation therapy with minimum damage to the surrounding structures. It arrests the growth of tumor. CyberKnife radiosurgery is a newer technique. Conventional radiotherapy. Surgery is the treatment of choice. Various approaches to CP angle are translabyrinthine approach, retrosigmoid approach, middle cranial fossa approach. The surgical approach depends upon the size of tumor, extent of growth and hearing status of the patient. Translabyrinthine approach is a hearing ablating surgery. It is suited for patients with a poor hearing. The two other approaches, that is retrosigmoid approach and middle cranial fossa approach, are hearing preserving. Thank you.